So, I just came across this concept of binary fuse filters, and it's kind of blowing my mind. They're supposed to be faster and smaller than Bloom filters.
Wait, seriously? I always thought Bloom filters were the best out there for checking set membership quick. What's different with these binary fuse filters?
Right? Well, for starters, binary fuse filters can actually compress data more effectively, so they use less space overall.
That's interesting. Less space means more efficiency, which is crucial for big data applications. How do they manage to do that?
It seems they utilize some clever mechanisms like avoiding unnecessary zero bytes and prioritizing efficient memory copy operations.
Oh, wow. So it's like they're tightening their grip on data when storing it. That's pretty smart. I can definitely see some practical applications for that.
Exactly. And the fact that these filters can run without needing an amazing hash function is really cool too. As long as collisions are low, you're good.
That's true. Less pressure on the hash function just makes it easier to integrate. So what's the catch? Are there any downsides?
Well, with a basic version, there's still a false positive probability, but it's really low, around 0.4%. And there's also a version that drops it even lower.
Whoa, a lower false positive rate. Now I'm intrigued. How much lower are we talking about?
It's around 0.0015%. That's like getting near perfect accuracy for membership checks. That's pretty impressive.
That's wild. I can only imagine industries where accuracy is key, like finance or healthcare, would love that feature.
Absolutely. And here's the kicker. They even have serialization formats that can further reduce space, depending on the use case.
Okay, but serialization, does that mean it's easy to send these filters across different systems? That's a game changer.
Exactly. You can serialize them in either packed or unpacked formats. It makes sharing and storage flexible.
Speaking of sharing, is there a C++ wrapper available? Because I can totally see developers wanting to jump on this.
There is. A C++ version called BinFuse exists, which makes it super accessible for developers already familiar with C++.
That's so awesome. I mean, with the rise of data processing needs, having this kind of efficiency is going to be huge.
How crazy is it to think we might be on the verge of a filtering revival thanks to these innovations?
So true. It's like finding a new secret weapon for data operations, and the ease of use matters a lot.
Totally. And they even mention being thoughtful about memory requirements. You need about 24 bytes per item, which seems manageable.
Right? It's a small price to pay for the boost in performance. I mean, compare that to other solutions out there.
Exactly. And what's exciting is how they encourage running tests and benchmarks to ensure optimal performance.
Performance tests? That makes sense. Developers will want to see how this stacks up against current standards.
And get this, they even provide sample outputs to benchmark against, which is super helpful.
Wow, that's a great approach. It makes transparency a priority, definitely builds trust among users.
Exactly. And the community is encouraged to report bugs, which keeps the project evolving.
So it feels really collaborative. I love when tech focuses on community involvement. It speeds up innovation, right?
Absolutely. I think this blend of speed, efficiency, and community engagement could reshape data processing.
It's fascinating to think how something like this could influence future technologies too, like AI or IoT.
Totally. The impacts are ripple effects. There's so much potential once anyone can access faster filtering.
It's almost like we're glimpsing into the future of computing. What else could we discover next?
Right? And it leaves me curious about what other efficiency breakthroughs are just around the corner.
I'm excited just thinking about it. It's like we've just scratched the surface of optimizing data handling.
For sure. Every new layer we uncover seems to unlock even more capabilities and innovations ahead.
I can't wait to see how this filters people's experiences with data in so many surprising ways.
Exactly. It's all about how we harness these gains. It's thrilling to imagine the future possibilities.
I mean, if this is the direction we're heading, data might become even more user-friendly and accessible.
Definitely. And it shifts the conversation to trust and ethics around data management as well.
True. Finding that balance of efficiency and responsibility will be critical. So many questions arise.
Totally. I love how this tech exploration is giving rise to more questions than answers. It just keeps evolving.
Absolutely. It's like a continuous journey filled with discoveries. Here's to what's next in this tech adventure.
Cheers to that. let's keep diving into these fascinating topics and see where they lead us next.